Then open the
bumble. Why are you
vacuum.
opening the vacuum now?
We need to check if it's working.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Well, I'm not doing it. Is that vacuum? Yeah, it's a vacuum. Who said that to me? Okay. Go vacuum, vacuum. Can you do the drum?
Excuse me. Excuse me first.
Why? Where are you gonna vacuum?
Now, I'm not gonna vacuum. I'm gonna check if it's working.
Mommy, why are you opening it now?
I need to check.
Oh, no. Hello, yes! Oh, ow! Oh,
Dad,
Whoa, they gonna
excuse.
oh, tree.
Dad.
Me,
Daddy, baraw ako ng cutter.
What is that, Mom?
It's a cutter. Should you play with this?
Cotton, no.
Bakit?
It's not like it.
What will happen if you touch?
It's gonna get me killed.
Yeah. Oh, see? This is dangerous, right?
Why is it for you only?
It's only for people who can use this. Who
Why
knows how to
only you?
use this? Do you know how to use this?
No.
Oh.
Mom. Do that thing. What are you gonna do with my toy? I want to do it. This one. Three, the bumblebee. Three, the bumblebee. And boom, one for me. Oh!
Okay. Don't press. Paano ito turn off? Uy, Daniel. Si Bob. Turn on lang. Walang turn off. Ay. Okay, now we will try, okay?
Don't. Three,
Hindi,
the
panic
bumblebee.
attack lang yun.
Hoy, Mom!
So, Tony, I'm gonna try. Ang galing! Ang ganda. Oh, nalalaksan siya. Oops. You do thumbs up. Show it to the camera, oh. Thumbs up.
Mommy, why? Why did you do that all the day?
This is nice. I like it too.
One more way, I didn't want you one for me. I just want one for me. Why do you want that crap? Oh, wow! Mommy, Mom.
Yes. What? Excuse me.
Can you give me the...
Excuse. Oopsie.
to my movie.
Spin. You spin my hair right now, right now. When you go down, down.
Can you do this? This one, Mom.
What's that? Ano ba?
Mommy, did you try the vacuum?
Opo. It's for Nang Tony.
What? What did you say?
It's for Nang Tony.
Nang Tony, ipoy Nang Tony. Why? Why is it for Nang Tony?
Because it's our gift to Nang Tony.
Why?
It's her wedding.
Why is it her wedding?
Can you please get the tape, Jaden Jace?
Okay.
There, the big tape. The big tape, ha? Yeah.
Where?
Under the cart. Under that one.
Where?
Yan.
Where?
That one.
Dito?
Baba. Dun sa pink.
Dito?
Sa pink, not there. Sa trolley ni ma'am. Sa cart ni ma'am.
Where?
Where is my cart? That one.
Where?
Yung may mga scissors. Remember yung mga scissors? Doon. You go there. Ayan mo. Yan. Hanap the big tape.
Where's the big thing?
Under. Sa pinakababa. Yan.
This?
Can I see?
This one?
Bigger.
Dito?
Is there a bigger tape? Ang galing! Ang galing! You found it! Kiss nga. Kiss. Is Jaden very good? Opo. Jaden can follow. Very good.
Mommy, I
Jaden.
can do this.
Ah,
Oopsie. Mommy, look at my... Do you like my games on my iPad? Mommy, look at this.
how about you get your iPad because we need to charge it. Right? We need to charge her iPad.
Okay. What's the phone ng Tony? Wait, is it wedding?
It's her wedding.
No.
You get your iPad, we need to charge it. Kasi tomorrow it will be low-bat na.
Not to go. What you know about the way what you we do got so people kind of good enough to like you to me. Oh, what you know about rain down on the day. Rain down there, we got one but we do not tell. Don't touch me. Oh, I thought you were gonna cut me.
Excuse me.
Ah! Why are you gonna hide it? Why are you gonna hide it?
This one?
Are you gonna hide it or no? Please take me, okay?
Oo. Ito na. Can you please hold it here? Then
Okay.
help ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it here.
Yeah. Just, yan.
Don't take me, okay?
When I say remove your hand, remove, okay? Not yet. Remove! Dali.
What do you need that?
We need to tape it so that it will not be opened.
Oh, why do you need to cut the tape?
Jaden, do you remember where did you get this? You put it back, please. The correct place, ha?
Mommy, look at me.
I'm looking at you. Ang galing! How about this one? Kanino to? Oh, you will hold it like this, okay? Ayan, you hold it here. Say, give it to daddy na.